Scott Jennings makes it sound simpler than ever.
The president is using God as a way to justify his, which I think goes against what you're saying.
I don't think he's justifying
he's literally,
it.
look at his words.
I think he was asked about it. I'm not going to comment on every single thing that Trump says, but
I think that tweet is pretty indefensible. That's why you can't defend it.
I'm not sure what was happening with that tweet.
Have American presidents and Americans not invoked God in numerous communications for 250 years in this country? Years in this country, beginning with George Washington all the way to right now. I mean, it's pretty common language for commanders in chief of the military.
I think saying God approves of this rising is not.
Our leaders have repeatedly prayed to God for success in battle. Have repeatedly prayed to God
that's different.
to guide America into battle.
That's great.
And so I just don't think it's really all that strange to hear a president of the United States invoking God when dealing with